if a person has facing allegations, you cannot allow him to function as a judge. And we don't have to reinvent the wheel. If you remember, there used to be a Justice Ramaswamy, very fine judge, let me tell you, Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court. He was alleged to have spent excess money on curtains and carpets. Nobody suggested he took a bribe. But that was an impropriety, that was a breach of the rules. The chorus became loud till finally the Supreme Court had to intervene. Chief Justice Mukherjee didn't do it from inside his chambers. He came into open court with a written order and read out why he felt an inquiry was necessary, and ended by saying, till the inquiry is over, I am withdrawing all judicial work from this learned judge. He sat for months as a judge of the Supreme Court without doing any judicial work. So that is what happened. And we have that already as a precedent in the Supreme Court.
Judges have been judges in their own cases. So if they are judges in their own cases, why should there be an in-house inquiry at all? It's always said that an external agency should do the investigation.
I agree with you entirely, but the external agency, there is a check and safeguard. You don't straight away order the police to come into a judge's house, as they say. Very well. Have an independent inquiry, and this inquiry should take not more than 2 weeks, according to me. Have an independent inquiry. If an inquiry of 3 independent people find him guilty, that's a good enough case for the CBI to register a case and go ahead.
Absolutely. But let me ask you, in 2008, there was the case of Justice Nirmal Yadav. In 2008, it began, there was a charge sheet, but the judge in question stayed in office till retirement in 2021. The case has gone on for 17 years and there has never been a conclusion to that case. Mr. Salve, do you expect any justice from within the system itself?
Well, that is precisely the reason. See, we don't have a system, first of all. Let's be very clear, Navika. We don't have a system. I don't call this collegium system, I don't think it's worthy of being called a system at all. So, whether it comes to appointment of judges or whether it comes to inquiry against judges, I don't think we have a system. We need a system which has, because the system must have credibility and must have transparency.